Palagi ka bang napapasana all? No more sana all dahil ito na ang hinihintay mo. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Strategically located sa Barangay Pinagtipunan, General Trias, Cavite, and approximately 15 minutes drive going to Robinson Gentry and 20 minutes drive going to the future financial capital ng Cavite, ang ating mga central business district like Maple Grove, Ibu City, and River Park. Accessible to Vermosa, Villar City, and Alabang via Open Canal Road and Cavite Laguna Expressway. And approximately 60 minutes drive ang ito going to Manila and Airport via Cavite. Two-story duplex house na may minimum lot size na 58.5 square meters. Kaya naman meron tayong extra lot sa front, side, and sa back na pwede natin gamitin for future home expansion. At meron tayong provision for one carport. May floor area ito na 45.5 square meters, basic finish turnover. Limited restriction nga pagdating sa home improvement, kaya naman masusunod mo dito ang preferred design mo pagdating sa interior and exterior ng inyong property. Pre-selling stage, kaya naman very affordable dahil nasa introductory price. Total contract price is 2,200,805. Monthly down payment for 34 months is 9,726.56. And estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig is 12,056.40. Ito na nga ang pinaka-affordable natin sa General Trias, Cavite. Disclaimer lang guys, ang floor area nito na nasa video ay 51.5 square meters. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive housing mo. So, bye-bye!